open a Phantasmal Flames ETB. Guys, I caught another vending machine restock today, purely by accident. It was by accident. I was going in to just check the machine, and the guy just happened to be there. Chalk It Up promo, card sleeves, Charizard coin, and 9 packs, and one of them will have the Charizard. I think my favorite thing about going to these vending machines and hitting a restock is listening to the people behind me telling me about how much stuff. Oh! Guys, she's my favorite ever. Wigglytuff. Can we get a second one? Anyway, what I was saying was listening to the people in line for a vending machine restock talking about how much stuff they're going to get out of there makes me laugh because they do not know the struggles of the vending machine, which then makes me realize that they're not there to collect. They're not there to be normal Pokemon fans. They're there to scalp everything. And Charizard EX. Speaking of people scalping, did anyone else have an awful time so far with these Walmart plush drops and the bots just eating literally anything and everything? It makes this hobby so unfair to those who actually want to collect compared to some of these people who are live streaming, literally botting all these drops. We're on the hunt for the Charizard today, not the gold one. We've already pulled that one twice. I am in need of that big boy. Ignition Energy. But with how many packs of this we've opened, I think the well might be running dry. And I think we might give up soon and just buy the card ourselves. But you know me, I love holding out hope that I'm going to pull something big. And hopefully, maybe. Last pack. Maybe our luck will be in this last pack. Everyone, give it a blessing, please. Let's pull something fat out of... I mean, he is fat. Mega Heracross EX.